Basic Math, Chapter 13, Section 9, Median and Mode. So we have the median. That's going to be the middle number when a set of numbers is recorded from least to greatest. So here is 3 numbers. Here is 3 numbers. So the one in the middle is the median. If there is an even number of numbers, the median is the average of the 2 middle numbers. So this had 7 numbers, so that's going to have 3 on each side. If there were 8 numbers, then you would have 2 numbers that were directly in the middle. So that'd be 3 on this side, 3 on that side, and there'd be 2 right in the middle. So then you would add up the 2, divide by 2, and get your mean average. So for example, find the median of this set of numbers. Step 1, arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Find the 2 middle numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 2 on this side and 2 on that side, and they're arranged from least to greatest. We've got 11 and 12 as the middle numbers. So find the average of those 2 middle numbers. Add them up, and there's 2 numbers. 23 divided by 2 is 11.5. So the median is 11.5. Now the mode is something different. The mode is the number that occurs most often. So let's see what we mean with example 2. So find the mode for 431717. Well, step, it's the only step. I don't even put a 1, it's just the thing to do. Find the number that occurs the most. So there's only 1 4, there's only 1 3, okay, there's 2 1s, but here's 777. So we can see there are 3 7s. That's the one with the most repeated number. So 7 is the mode. Well, sometimes there's no mode. 12, 18, 25, 36, 48. Nothing repeated. So there's no mode. Sometimes there's more than one mode. 2, 5, 5, 8, 9, 9, 10. I see that there are 2 instances of 5 and 2 instances of 9. So then we've got 2 modes. We've got 5 and 9 are the modes for this set of numbers. All right, let's check it out. For practice A, find the median of each set of numbers. Remember to put the numbers in order. All right, so we need to order them. So we've got a 17, cross that out. And then the next one was 43, cross it out. Oh, I missed one, 29. So I'm going too fast. Erase. 29, 43, 55, 73. Okay, now we got them all. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there should be 2 numbers on this side of a number and 2 numbers on that side. That leaves us with the median of the set. The median is 43. So that's the idea. So you arrange them in order, and then you find which one is in the middle. So luckily 1 is an odd number, so you get a single number left in the middle. But if there's an even number, we have to find the average of 2. So if we look at number 3, I'm just going to erase the extra marks there. This has an even number of numbers. So let's arrange them. So we've got 20, 24, 26, and then 30. So we've got 4 numbers. If we did the same thing, we can see there's 1 on this side, 1 on that side, which leaves us with 2 in the middle. So what do we do when there's 2 in the middle? We're going to add them up. 24 plus 26 equals 50. And there are 2 numbers, right? 1 and 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So we are going to have 25 be the median for number 3. So that's the idea, how to do them when there's 1 number in the middle with an odd number of numbers. If there's an even number of numbers, then you're going to find that average of the 2 in the middle, like we just showed for number 3. Then the mode. Find the mode of each set of numbers. If there's not a mode, then just write the word none. So we got to see if there's things that get repeated. So I see let's use a highlighter, a 19, 2 of them. Nothing else is repeated. So we can write that 19 is the mode. And now for number 10, 24, I see 2 24s, 2 23s. So there's a 24 there and a 24 there. There's 23 and 23. So it looks like those are the only things that repeat. So we've got 2 modes, 24 and 23. So that's the idea. We're just looking for how many times a number gets repeated. And if we look and they're only written once, 450, 402, 452, 405, nothing there is repeated. So that's the example where we can write that there is no mode. None. If you'd like some more practice with everyday problem solving, you could take a look at Mr. Jones's Days of Sunshine. And then in your workbook for Chapter 13, Section 9, you can do some more problems. And of course, let me know if you have any questions. All right, thank you very much.